Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see recently deleted apps on iPhone. So if you recently deleted some application on your iPhone and now you want to have access to them again, whether to reinstall the application or to see all the application you've removed from your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find or see recently deleted apps on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store, unlock the App Store with your passcode and Face ID. Click on the profile icon on the top right, then come here and click on apps. Once you selected apps, hang on, click on my apps, then click on not on this iPhone. Then here, you should see all your previously deleted application on your iPhone. Now if you want to reinstall the application again, just go ahead and click on the iCloud icon and the application will be downloaded to your iPhone. Then you're good. So that is all you need to do to see recently deleted apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.